Keep rain from getting under repaired asphalt shingles by creating a continuous, well-sealed overlap and fastening pattern that channels water down and away from the repair. Start by removing any loose granules and lift the surrounding shingles gently to clean and dry the area so adhesives will stick. Use a high-quality roofing cement or elastomeric roof sealant applied generously under the lifted shingle edge and along the repair perimeter, pressing the shingle down so the sealant spreads into a thin, continuous bead. Avoid thick blobs that trap moisture. When replacing a shingle or patch, maintain at least a 2-inch overlap beyond the damaged area and align the cut edge under the course above so water sheds naturally. If the roof has a starter course or drip edge, ensure the repair integrates with that profile. Fasten with 3 corrosion-resistant roofing nails per shingle, placing them just below the adhesive line and under the tab so the nail head sits flush but not overdriven. Do not nail through the sealed area. Pay special attention to corners and cut edges by applying a narrow bead of sealant along those seams and pressing the shingle into place for a tight bond. After installation, press down firmly across the repair and then check for any gaps by running a gloved finger along edges. If you feel movement or voids, add more sealant and smooth it to form a continuous waterproof bead. Common mistakes include using too little adhesive, which lets water wick under the shingle. Fix this by applying a continuous bead of roofing cement or elastomeric sealant and pressing the shingle into place so the adhesive bonds fully. Another issue is improper overlap or misaligned shingles that create open seams. Correct that by trimming the patch for a minimum 2-inch overlap and sliding the tab under the course above so water flows over, not into, the repair. A third frequent problem is underdriven or missing fasteners at the corners, which allow wind uplift and water entry. Remedy that by driving 3 corrosion-resistant roofing nails per replacement shingle with heads flat but not crushed, and by sealing nail heads with a small dab of sealant. Our site BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where people share real repair experiences, tips, and contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and enabling direct conversations with interested homeowners.